Hello friends, how you guys doing? Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you so far my journey with the no chemical challenge, which I started in November 1, and the 6 months is going to be end of April on the 30th of this year. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue to use everything that I'm using now, even though they're so good to my hair. The only thing is I cannot just go in the shower and be ready to wash my hair. I have to plan ahead. If I didn't get to plan ahead, I'm going to have to move my hair washing day forward. I'm going to tell you a few things that I use that I know that helps my hair. I always make sure that I balance the pH of my hair. I use a lot of oils. I use Bragg's organic apple cider, especially when I use the African black soap, which is the reason why it wasn't drying my hair. To clarify my hair, once a month I use African black soap, and that's been working for me. So I think I'm going to continue to use this. I'm not sure when this 6 months is over, maybe I'm going to introduce my other products back into my hair, but I'm just going to wait and see how convenient that's going to be for my life. There's another thing that I introduced in December. I made a conditioner, and in this conditioner I did use organic castor oil. Even though I have been using Jamaican black castor oil, I only use that on my scalp. But this, it's bigger. I added it to the butter that I made, and I added it to my conditioner to work really well with my hair. So that's one thing that I'm going to keep even after this challenge is over. Now is the time for me to do length check for you guys, and when I'm doing this length check, I'm going to be inserting video of when I did my trim. I think I did this in October 20 something. I'm going to insert that video somewhere around there. So we're gonna go here in the back first, and I'm gonna get some out. This is the length of my hair now in the back and on the side. And this is what I have. And in the front. I really appreciate you all. If you have any question for me, please leave it on the comment below. Let me know what you're doing on your hair. Let me know if you have any suggestion for me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much for tuning in today again, and thank you for watching. Love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.